was supportive, coming to my matches. Azongibheka manje akasekho.
Mpura, the creative pulse of Amapiano. From the heart of Chiawelo, Soweto emerged a multifaceted creative, Mongezi Mpura Sturman. His journey wove through rap, street fashion, and the soulful beat of Amapiano. Early life and fashion beginnings. Born on the 22nd of September 1995 in Soweto, Mpura grew up with a vision that blended style and creative flair. Before music, fashion called. He founded Mpura Designs, a unisex streetwear brand, showcasing his autumn-winter 2019 collection at South African Fashion Week in 2018. Stepping into music and Amapiano. By 2018, Mpura was already merging his fashion-savvy aura with the burgeoning Amapiano sound. His breakthrough arrived in December 2020 with the track Umsebenzi Wethu, alongside Busta 929, Lady Do, Mr. Jazik, Reese Madlissa, and Zuma, propelling him into the spotlight. The song soared to #1 on local iTunes and earned platinum certification. A creative force and collaborator, Mpura was more than just a feature artist. He was a trendsetter in the Amapiano collective. He worked with industry heavyweights, DJ Mafarisa, Tyler ICU, Kabza De Small, and more, cementing his role as a rising pillar in the genre. Mpura defined class in his own words. Being classy means always being kind, respectful and polite, even to those who are unkind to you. His grandmother later revealed that he had planned a Thanksgiving ritual for his ancestors, an expression of gratitude curtailed by his tragic early departure. On the 9th of August 2021, while en route to a performance near Rustenburg, Mpura was involved in a fatal car crash that claimed his life, alongside Killer Kau, Kanya, The Voice, Hadebe, DJ Thando Tot, and TD. His funeral, held in Soweto, was a solemn testament to the impact he had across music and fashion, celebrated by family, friends, and fans. Though his journey was cut short at just 25 years old, Mpura's legacy lives on. He shaped the aesthetic and sonic language of Amapiano, and continues to inspire. In memory of Mongezi Thomas Sturman, 1995 to 2021. May his art, kindness, and creative flame continue to inspire.